What's up, guys? It's Brooke here again. Okay, so today is going to be a quick little short lesson about incentive spirometers. I don't know about you, but me personally, I knew nothing about incentive spirometers, so I'm just going to give you a quick idea of what it's about in case you go to nursing school and your nurse is like, hey, take this, go do this with your patient. So here's some little knowledge about this. Okay, so this is called an incentive spirometer, and you'll see a bunch of these laying around the hospital, and what this is used for is for patient lung exercises, so like breathing exercises. You'll see this a lot of times with patients getting out of surgery or COPD, this is around a lot. So if you want to have some idea about this, okay, so your nurse is going to tell you, go do this. Their goal is 4,000. So you just go up here, move it to 4,000, and you're going to give this to your patient. Patient's going to be like, well, what is this? Okay, what you do not do, you do not blow into it. Do not blow into it. It works the opposite of what you think. So you're going to tell your patient to take a deep breath, tell them to exhale, and then they're going to put their mouth on it. I'm not putting my mouth on this because it's not mine. You're going to tell them, take a deep breath, exhale, then put their mouth onto it, and they suck it in. You breathe in. And that's basically it. And like, depending on which kind of incentive spirometer, it will tell you, the patient can see how well they're doing. And that's about it. Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, Brooke Thompson 18.